Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Watch Together on Messenger. Now quick one guys, open up your Facebook Messenger. Now to use this feature of Watch Together guys, you need to be logged into your Facebook Messenger, and you also need to create a group in your Facebook Messenger. Okay, now to create a group, just go ahead and tap on the people that you want to join that group. Now for this case, I'll tap on this person over here and then choose create a new group with this person. Now if I want to add another person, I can then go ahead and then add them. Now for this case, let me choose this one, then click on create. Now once you're done creating this group guys, if you want to do the watch together, you need to make a video call to these people. Okay, and then once they answer the video call guys, you then go ahead and watch whatever you want to watch together. Could be a movie, music video, or even some songs. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching.